Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel. My name is Emma, and today we are going to practice English in daily life. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to speak English with confidence.
Hello, Emma. Thank you so much for having me. I'm very happy to be here today.
Alex, let me start with a very simple question. How was your day today?
My day was good. It was a little busy, but I enjoyed it.
That's a great answer. Everyone listening, you can say, my day was good. My day was busy. My day was okay. Alex, how do you usually feel at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, I usually feel tired but relaxed.
Let's talk about your morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
After you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I brush my teeth. Then I take a shower.
Very clear and simple English. Do you have breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I do. I usually have eggs and coffee.
After breakfast, what do you do?
After breakfast, I go to work.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work.
Good. What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I answer emails and talk with my team.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job, but sometimes it is stressful.
Let's talk about lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice or a sandwich.
Do you eat alone or with other people?
I eat with my coworkers.
That's very common. How is your afternoon at work?
In the afternoon, I finish my work and attend meetings.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 in the evening.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and relax.
How do you relax in the evening?
I watch TV or listen to music.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I do. I usually cook simple food.
At night, how do you usually feel?
At night, I feel tired but calm.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I think about my day and plan for tomorrow.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
I usually go to sleep at 11.
Alex, many people are afraid to speak English. What advice would you give them?
I would say speak slowly and don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice every day and stay confident.
Thank you so much, Alex, for this simple and real conversation.
Thank you, Emma. I really enjoyed speaking with you today.
And thank you, everyone, for listening to Mr. English Channel. Practice this conversation again and speak out loud. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.